Hey guys, it's Barry with 8-Track, with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair again, and this is the second unit sent by Mike in Las Vegas, Nevada. The previous video was his 8-Track player. Now we're doing his radio conversion, and let's just turn on a little bit of light here so we can get a better peek at the radio. So Mike has requested the modern internal conversion. It's already an AM/FM radio, so it's still an AM/FM radio. And he also requested the Bluetooth feature, and we'll be testing that as well. So let's go ahead and turn the radio on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get.
Had a sip of each one of the beers. I mean, are you kidding me? You're going back to display.
Okay, now we're going to activate the virtual left-right balance control, which is actually the tone control. We're going to start with the tone control in the center position. Give it two quick turns to the left, returning it to the center position each time. So let's try that.
You should have at least one.
We're going to need our output level meters for this.
Charged accusations. You've got to have someone on the record.
Balance adjust.
Shows there's someone with their name to these personal attacks. So the New Yorker, was it Jane Mayer who wrote the piece in the New Yorker? Like, she's had a long history with the Kavanaugh. Her
balance set.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
So there are a lot of
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM. Now, one thing weird about this radio is the leftmost button forces AM mode. You can only set an AM station to the leftmost button. And then the FM button is to the right, and my guess is that the customer will most likely be setting all four of these presets to FM stations, which I've done to demonstrate the unit. So we've got the AM going,
and then
we've demonstrated the virtual balance fader. Let's move over to FM.
Exciting. Josh, thank you.
Those who are discovering the beauty of that, Anna. Basically, if you're not willing to get up there on that ladder.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Okay, and there's our FM, and that's it. There's nothing else to test. The 8-Track's already been tested and evaluated and all that stuff. So all this is ready to go back, and I'm ready to probably start packing some units here. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach you for service, please visit the website in the description below, and all you gotta do is go down the entire home page of my website. From that home page, you can download and print out a work order, which you have to do anyway if you're serious about sending your radio in. The work order will have all my options, prices, options for turnaround time, and it'll answer most, if not all, of your questions. You're welcome to call me with questions after you've read the work order. that saves me a lot of time on the phone, keeps me on the bench where the work actually gets done, and I need to be on the bench as much as possible. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Mike, for your business from Las Vegas, Nevada, and we'll see you guys next time.